We've all been there. It's 3 p.m. on a Friday at your local McDonald's, during the peak of a heat wave nonetheless. You go inside, the AC is busted, a Karen is demanding her refund, and her children are screaming. But it's okay, because she's the only one in line, and you've brought a line of cocaine in your fanny pack. Don't judge me. It's finally your turn to order, and you walk up to the counter saying, "Alright sir, can I..." "It's ma'am." "Okay, I was wondering if I can get some, cow mix." "What?" "You know, udder cream." "Excuse me? You know the fucking cold stuff to come out of the goddamn cow, damn it." "Sir." "It's ma'am." "Are you talking about a milkshake?"
For the love of God, yes, please. Can I get one of those?
"Oh no, I'm sorry, our ice cream machine is busted." Instead of blowing yourself up and attacking the register clerk, you can make your own milkshake at your own place, with your own hands. Hell, all you need is some ice cream, milk, cup, and a spoon, and you can make this anywhere for cheap. And I'm gonna show you how. Alright, to make your milkshake, we first need a cup. Next we need a spoon. You can use whatever size you want. I prefer to use the little spoon. It keeps me vulnerable yet safe. Next we're gonna get our ice cream. Then give it a little chop, and then we're going to attempt to get some ice cream out. Hopefully you guys are a lot smarter than I am and actually decide to pre-soften your ice cream before you use it. Because I really should have had a bigger spoon for this. That's what she said. Oh, hello old friend. I thought you were under my wife's bed. Now we're going to use our old friend to get a proper scoop of ice cream, which actually proves I'm too broke to afford an ice cream scooper. Now we're going to add some fresh cow juice, which was taken directly from yours truly. Make sure to pour more cow juice than ice cream that you have in your cup. And don't worry about the mess on the sides. If you're fat like me, it will not be wasted. Give it the yellow ratatouille and pow! Milkshake, no blender, no McDonald's required. But you might be thinking, Chef, who would have a jug of milk on them? Well, my confused viewer, you wouldn't get it from a gas station. Quite frankly, the milk tastes worse than the condoms. Truthfully, you can get all the ingredients from your local supermarket, and the same day you can head to the park, invite some friends, and make it right there on the spot. It takes just as much time as it does to make chocolate milk, which happens to be 30 seconds longer than it does for me to make love. Oh yeah, did you guys know?
My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard. Damn right, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. Milkshake brings all the boys to the yard. Damn right, it's better than yours.